that was good. Good overtaking. Yeah, so you made 0 serious faults so far. So basically, if you do this correctly, yeah, you pass your first ever mock test. Did I pass you or fail you for this one?
You pass or fail me?
Did I pass you or fail you for this maneuver?
You failed me.
Hey guys, welcome to Dylan's 20th driving lesson. So today is his 20th hour and we have only got 6 days left until his driving test. Today is the 4th of July. Driving test is on the 10th of July and last few lessons already, what have we been doing now, Dil?
Mock test.
Mock test, and how's it gone?
We've had a couple, good, and the others not so good.
Yeah,
so there's still room for improvement.
You've been improving every mock test. Yesterday you thought, you described your yesterday's mock test as terrible.
Yeah.
I thought it wasn't that bad at all, yeah. Okay, obviously there were a few mistakes and this is how the last few lessons, before your driving test should be. Yeah. Unless we feel there's a topic that you're really struggling on and you need my help on it to help you teach that topic, yeah. Which, do you think that's the case on any topic at the moment?
Nah, not really.
But yeah. Right, so today the mock test, I want you to start off by following the sat nav. I'm going to ask you to do one maneuver. Yeah, the advice I would give you is just make sure if you're in the wrong lane, if you get confused,
carry on.
It's okay to go the wrong way. Yeah, when you do your maneuver, take your time. Yeah, don't rush it. Remember your reference point, yeah? Okay? And on that note, guys, Dylan, it's his 20th hour today. He's had a decent, if I hadn't met Dylan before and I had a lesson with him yesterday and he told me he's testing in about a week's time, I'd say he's capable of passing. So the reason why Dylan's got to this stage quite quickly is because obviously we've been having lessons really frequently, every day or every other day, and he's been using the Ultimate Driving Course app, which saves us loads of time on the lessons. So if you're learning to drive, make sure you do download the Ultimate Driving Course app. You'll get into the car with the correct knowledge. Right, Dol? Are you ready? Any questions before we start?
No.
Okay, move off. Okay, at the roundabout, I want you to turn right and take the 3rd exit, yeah? And then follow the sat nav.
Go left on the roundabout, 1st exit.
Ignore the sat nav for now. Well done. You made sure you were safe before changing lanes this time, yeah? Good. So any mistakes you make, I'll talk about them as they happen, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
After 400 yards, bear left, then go right on the roundabout.
We to still follow that now?
Yeah.
Bear left, then go right on the roundabout. After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout, 3rd exit. Go right on the roundabout, 3rd exit.
So your clutches stay down all the way, Dil. Yeah. So that's what we call coasting.
Take the exit.
Not a bad start though. Better than yesterday, failing in the first minute. They said that wasn't your fault, was it? It was the taxi driver's.
That was a taxi driver, yeah.
Well, then that was good. Good overtaking. So whenever you're in a situation, yeah, where someone is blocking your side of the road, someone's parked up, if it's safe to do so, always look to overtake, yeah?
Yeah.
If it's safe to do so. Okay, your position now, Dil?
After
Where is it?
200 yards, turn right.
Well done. Good mirrors.
After 80 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit.
So
Go right on the roundabout, third
she
exit.
keeps interrupting. So that time you missed the mirrors.
Yeah, yeah.
Moving off. So that gap with the white car, if you'd noticed the signal early on, yeah, that's the only gap that we missed so far.
Yeah.
Other than that, all good. See your clutch is coming up high. And do that when you see that gap.
That's another gap.
No, it's fine. Here's the gap now. Don't try and take gaps like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to give you one for your speed here. See how you slow down to check your mirrors and that? Yeah, don't slow your speed down. Cancel just in time, well done. So, if you slow down that much on a roundabout, yeah, what's likely to happen, you think?
You're going to cause traffic on a road.
Yeah, and then what are people going to try and do?
Overtake.
Yeah, they're going to overtake, yeah. So just maintain that speed. Obviously, you don't want to go too fast, but don't slow down. You did it on the first round, but it wasn't like
That slow.
yeah, that slow. Is this the longest you've driven without a serious fault so far?
I ain't got a serious fault yet.
No.
Yeah, I think so.
Remember, I'm going to point the faults out.
100 yards, you have reached your destination.
Do you feel that there?
Yeah, hit the curb in it.
Yeah.
So,
If you could park up anywhere safe on the left, please. What do you reckon?
could be a bit closer to
Yeah,
the...
again, the front.
Yeah.
You know,
I went right
yeah,
in
we
it.
sorted this out the other lesson,
Yeah.
yeah. But it's happened again now, the ones. Yeah, so if this happens, examiner's definitely going to stop you at least twice more anyway, yeah. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on this. So I'll move off when you're ready. And really good slowing down for the lorry there. At the traffic lights, turn left. Should I check that mirror again, Dale? We did check it earlier before signalling, but see how much time there was before you change direction.
Yeah.
And again at this roundabout, go straight ahead and take the second exit. Well done. Lane discipline good, approach speed good, mirrors good. Well done. Now at this roundabout, if you could turn right and take the third exit for me.
So third exit, yeah.
Yeah. Well done, good. Park up anywhere safe on the left. What do you think of your distance from the curb there?
Bit better.
Perfect. Move off when you're ready. Okay, they got a bit close there. Here, should have held back a bit more. Yeah, wait for them to fully turn in before getting that close. Turn right. That was well spotted. You know, you assess the speed of that car really well. It was coming quite fast. Well done. Okay, right, so we are going to end the test after this maneuver now. Yeah, so you made 0 serious faults so far. So basically, if you do this correctly, yeah, you pass your first ever mock test. Yeah, well, you pass your first mock test. This isn't your first ever mock test. So start when you're ready, Dill. No pressure.
What do you want me doing?
Oh, sorry, I thought it was obvious. Reverse parallel parking. Yeah, so I'll pull up next to the car, and then park nice and close to the curb. You can leave that this much space when you do finish up here. You don't finish dead close to the car. Sorry, my bad. I thought it was obvious there. I don't even tell you which maneuver. So remember, if you mess up, you can switch right here, like I've always said.
Can I redo it?
You want to redo it?
Yeah, come too much off the curb on that side.
You can still sort that out, Dill. You got plenty of space behind you. You can go back another car length yet. Did I pass you or fail you for this one?
Huh? You pass or fail me?
Did I pass you or fail you for this maneuver?
You failed me.
You reckon I failed you? What for?
I don't know. Just have a feeling you failed me there.
So you thought you were too far out, which you were, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you got too far out. You know that final reference point I've given you?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's when the comes off the curb, isn't it?
Yeah, the handle,
the
yeah.
handle, the
okay.
handle.
So the handle came off the curb quite a while ago. Yeah, if
Yeah.
you use that, you would end up close. Yeah, but it's like instead of starting again, if you were in this position, it's different. Yeah, because you'd come too far back. Yeah. Okay, and you were still far out, but you were quite close to that car, so you still have plenty of space to just do what you did. The other thing you haven't done at the end, you haven't straightened your wheel, so your front wheel's still facing to the right there. Yeah, but that you would have picked up a minor for that. Yeah. But the good thing, your observations were really good. You know, when you went closer, your car swings out again, yeah. So you check the right blind spot again.
Yeah.
All done. Yeah. So that was a minor for that. So overall, congratulations, though. Okay. You finally passed the mock test. Good timing. Like we said now, we've done 20 hours. I said my target was to do this within 24 hours of lessons. We've still got another 4 hours. We've got 6 days and 4 hours. Yeah, so we can finally have a day or two off as well now. Yeah, because we've been constantly filming every day, but I've been editing. You haven't been editing. I've been editing every day as well. Yeah, but good. So now what I want you to do is start revising the show me, tell me questions. Yeah, on the app. Go through them. We don't have to spend half an hour or so in the car doing that. I'll go through opening the bonnet with you, but the rest of them, it's all revision. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you some of the controls. But if you revise them, there's no need for us to waste time going over here. That's the whole point of the app. Yeah, the Ultimate Driving Course app. Well done. Yeah, so I think another 4 lessons and we should just be able to just polish up on everything. Yeah. Okay, is there anything in particular that you want to go through?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Cool. That's it then. Well done. And guys, yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.